What is Jasper? Originally known as Jarvis, Jasper has successfully pivoted from a general-purpose AI writer to a specialized platform for mid-market and enterprise marketing teams. In 2026, Jasper isn't just a place to generate a blog post. It is a centralized hub where brand knowledge, campaign orchestration, and AI-driven automation meet. According to Jasper's own 2026 State of AI in Marketing report, 90% of marketing teams have now adopted AI, and Jasper's goal is to be the engine behind that 90%. Jasper IQ Knowledge Base. This is the platform's proprietary context hub. It ingests your company's style guide, product specs, and audience insights, ensuring that every output is actually on brand. AI marketing agents. Jasper has moved into agentic workflows. Instead of just writing text, Jasper can now execute multi-step marketing tasks, such as creating an entire multi-channel campaign, emails, social posts, ads, from a single product URL or brief. Optimization for GEO and AEO. In 2026, SEO is being joined by Generative Engine Optimization, GEO. Jasper includes tools to help your content get cited by AI search engines like Perplexity, ChatGPT Search, and Google's AI Overviews. The Trust Foundation. For big companies, security is everything. Jasper provides enterprise-grade governance, ensuring your data isn't used to train public models and that your content meets legal and brand compliance standards. Jasper versus the competition. In 2026, the competition is specialized. Here is how Jasper stacks up. Jasper versus ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a versatile everything tool, but it lacks Jasper's specialized marketing templates and integrated campaign workflows. Is Jasper right for you? You manage a marketing team that needs to maintain a consistent brand voice. You need to scale content across multiple channels, email, social, blog, ads, simultaneously. You want an AI that integrates directly with your existing tech stack, Google Docs, Salesforce, HubSpot. Final verdict. Jasper has grown up. In 2026, it is less of a magic trick and more of a workhorse. It solves the biggest problem marketers face today, scaling quality without losing your brand voice. Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified for more updates.